A new contender has arrived on the global battlefield of unmanned ground vehicles, and it's wheeled. Edge Group from the UAE has unveiled its latest heavyweight autonomous platform, the HAVOC 8x8. This machine packs a 30mm chain gun and low-cost counter-drone missiles from Estonian firm Frankenburg Technologies. HAVOC immediately jumps into the ring against well-known rivals like the Milrem Type X, Ripsaw M5, and Otokar Alper. But here's the key difference: while most competitors rely on tracked chassis, HAVOC bets on wheels. This isn't just an aesthetic choice, it's a strategic move aiming for higher speed, better maneuverability, and easier logistics on hard surfaces. Specs-wise, HAVOC is a heavyweight, about 20 tons fully loaded. Despite its size, the platform impresses with its agility, hitting speeds up to 50 km per hour off-road and 110 km per hour on highways. Its armor meets STANAG 4569 Level 3 standards, protecting against 7.62 by 51mm AP rounds and fragments from 155mm shells at 60 meters. Mine resistance is rated Level 1, enough to withstand grenade blasts and light explosives. Its main weapon, a 30mm chain gun, is a standard choice for heavy UGVs, but the real innovation lies in its integration with smart counter-drone missiles. Frankenburg Technologies offers missiles with a 2 km range and AI-driven autonomous targeting. The sensors use electro-optical guidance instead of outdated IR systems common in manpads, dramatically boosting precision and reaction speed in complex combat scenarios. In practice, this means HAVOC is more than just a shooter, it's an active defender. It can provide aerial protection for convoys and infantry against kamikaze drones dropping mines and explosives, one of the leading threats on today's battlefield. In an era where unmanned systems are becoming integral to the tactical environment, HAVOC shows how to combine heavy firepower, mobility, and cutting-edge defense into one autonomous package. This is no longer just a robotic platform, it's a combat system tailored for 21st-century warfare.